Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, this video is for those who are preparing for Army Welfare Education Society CSB OST exam. CSB, that is Combined Selection Board, that is Online Screening Test Exam 2024. And this is the syllabus and exam pattern. I want to recapitulate before going to exam. And you have only 5 to 6 days in your hand for exam preparation. Okay, so I am sure that you are all doing well with the preparation. So this is one sort of recapitulation with the exam pattern. As you know that total marks 200, and you will be provided 200 minutes, 3 hours and 20 minutes. Okay, so especially PGT and TGT, I will be discussing this exam pattern. So total is 200 marks, and this 200 marks is divided generally into three parts. Okay, into two parts generally, that is 30 marks plus 170 marks. There are actually three parts: part A 10 marks, part B 20 marks, and part C, that is your 170 marks. So part A and part B, I have combined it in one form, that is 30 marks. Okay, part A, that is 10 marks. 10 marks, this 10 marks is from GK and current affairs, GK and CA, GK and current affairs. So GK and current affairs 10 marks. Okay, 10 marks, 10 question. Question number 1 to question number 10. You can see national level GK 4 questions, international level GK 8 questions, and global level GK and current affairs, that is also 4 questions. Okay, so 4 not 4, 8 questions, sorry. So it is, this 10 marks is divided into three parts, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2, that is national level 4 national level question, GK kind of affairs 4 questions, global international 4 questions, and global level 2 questions, total 10 marks. Now part B 20 marks, that is pedagogy, curriculum, and education policy matters. So pedagogy, that is pedagogy of foundational and preparatory stage, foundational and preparatory stage pedagogy. So you have already known about pedagogies, child pedagogies, okay, in your DLED basic or even your subject paper also. So pedagogies for foundational and preparatory stage. So there, from there you'll have 8 questions. Okay, then child psychology or inclusive education 4 questions. So 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4, okay, 8 8 question. This is from foundational preparatory stage. Then 4 marks from child psychology and inclusive education, and another for 8 marks from RT, right to education, then NEP 2020, and CF 2005 and beyond. Okay, so um, you can prepare yourself with NEP 2022, especially the stages. Okay, age group also, RT, and that is your implementation time, year, certain rules, then any NCF 2005. From here 8 marks, 8 question would be there. Okay, so this is all about your 30 marks, or I can say part A and part B. So don't get tensed about part A and part B if you are not well prepared, especially part A you may not be well prepared. So don't get so much scared of part A, because here is no foundation that from each part you have to have 50% score. Here is not such kind of foundation. Overall you have to have 50% score. Okay, it may be from, it completely may be from your subject part. Okay, so here is no such kind of prerequisite foundation that you have to qualify part A with 50% or part B with 50%. No, because this is the new process. It is being there for last 2 times. Okay, So however, this is the best and the most profitable one for you. And second one, or I can say part C. So part C is your subject, concern subject. If you're for preparing for TGT, it would be up to graduation level. If it is PGT, then up to post graduation level. Side by side, you have to prepare your NCERT books 6 to 10 especially, okay. And for PGT, NCERT 11 and 12. I mean, this is up to graduation and up to post graduation, okay. Now, important trick, let me tell you how to qualify the exam with your first attempt, okay. So you have to calculate yourself in the exam center itself, that from which part, how many questions you have attempted correctly, how many questions you have attempted with your guess, okay. So you have to calculate there, and calculate there like this way, that your total question, especially the right one, it may not be below 100. Suppose you are having problem with CA, okay, part A, so better to leave certain questions, okay, um, in place of attempting all the 200 questions, okay. So be choosy, be selective, and be careful about your total questions you are attempted correctly, total questions you have attempted with guess, and total questions you have skipped, okay. So thank you, all the best for your preparation.